Yo guys, back to the channel with something really exciting. The brand new Nubia Z70S Photography Edition. Nubia has a strong history with mobile photography, and this phone is doubling down on that, especially with its unique main camera. Let's dive in and see what it's all about. Right off the bat, the design screams camera. The 3D micro-edged glass with that leather texture feels fantastic in hand and definitely evokes classic cameras. The horizontal camera module is a statement, and you can see the focus on the lenses. Nubia even included a dedicated 2-stage shutter button, a welcome touch for any photography enthusiast. And check out this optional photographer kit. It comes with a grip control strip and even filter support, hinting at the level of control Nubia wants to give users. Z70S Photography Edition packs a beautiful 6.85 inches 1.5K OLED display with a super smooth 144Hz refresh rate. It looks vibrant and responsive. Under the hood, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, so performance should be top-notch for everything from demanding apps to gaming. We're seeing configurations with up to a massive 24GB of RAM and 1TB of storage. Powering all of this is a substantial 6600 mAh battery. That's quite large and should offer excellent battery life. And when you do need to top up, the 80-watt fast charging promises to get you back to fully quickly on track. The phone runs on Android 15 with Nubia's Nebula OS on top. We've seen some interesting AI features being highlighted, like the immersive voice assistant and Smart Ticket. The physical shutter button is a standout, a half press for focus and a full press to capture the shot. This adds a tactile and familiar feel for photographers. Now let's talk about the star of the show, the camera system. The main 50-megapixel shooter boasts a custom OmniVision sensor and the native 35mm focal length. This is a big deal, aiming to provide a more natural and classic perspective right out of the gate. We'll take a look at some sample shots later, but the promise of sharper details and richer colors with the 35mm look is intriguing. Then we have the 64-megapixel periscope telephoto offering up to 140mm extension and even macro capabilities. Versatility is key here, and for those wide-angle shots there's a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens. It's worth noting it starts at an 18mm crop but can go to a full 13mm. Nubia is also emphasizing computational photography and AI with features like Future Mode. We'll need to test how well these perform in the real-world scenarios. They've also included film-inspired filters like retro silver and classic silver, which could be great for street photography. So the initial impressions for the new Z70S Photography Edition are definitely positive, especially if you're passionate about mobile photography. The focus on the 35mm main camera is unique and could deliver a distinct shooting experience. The versatile lens system, powerful performance and thoughtful design elements like the physical shutter button and optional photography kit make it a compelling package. Of course, we'll need to put the cameras through their paces in various conditions to see how it truly performs. But what makes this even more special is a customized professional photography kit. This includes a T-mount adapter and an adapter ring that supports 67mm filters. This allows users to add NF filters or polarizers to their phone lenses as well for a true camera experience. The photography kit also has a shoulder strap and a magnetic suction function. Other notable features include dual speakers with DTS:X Ultra IP68 plus IP69 rating for water and dust resistance, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4 and NFC. So guys, what are your first thoughts on the Nubia Z70S Photography Edition? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss more videos like this, and please like and share. Until the next one, take good care of yourselves and each other. See ya.